Hello friends, this is the property of the building which is mentioned in the screen. You can see that the dimension of the column, dimension of the beam, and the which grade of concrete is used, everything, thickness of the slabs and everything. And each section is consists of how many blocks and slabs. Okay. After this, I will open the ETAP software and I will run the analysis. Since my analysis is incomplete, I will first unlock it. Okay, first unlock it, and then and then I will show you some of the properties which I have been assigned or not. Okay, just for your convenience. Okay, I will click on define. I will click on material properties. Look, I have assigned M40 grade of cement HVAC and mile 250 according to the given question. Click on the OK. Now go to section properties in the define menu. Now click the frame sections. Now you can see that the frames are assigned, beams are assigned, and beam auto select. Beam auto select is the property that is the automatically software will select the best dimension and it allows help in designing. Okay, similarly for columns also we have designed the columns dimensions of different models, and column auto select is also. Click on the OK menu. Now check the slab. If slabs are selected or not. Click on the slab section. You can see the slab of 150 mm. Okay, we have done the in a proper manner. Now click on the load patterns. Since look at, we have assigned load pattern properly or not. Click on the load pattern here. You can see that we have assigned three type of load: dead load, live load, and wind load. Since three loads are acting on the building. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK. And now go to display menu to see the loads. I mean this type of loads how we can see. Okay, click on display menu, go to load assigned, go to shell. Now since fire is a live load, we can also see wind loads. Click on apply. Since you can see that wind loads are showing here, since this tab is selected, click on this window, click apply. Now you can see the wind loads are wind values of the wind loads here in this window. Okay, similarly you can deselect the following. Now you can upright or uplift the story and you can see each story functions and the loads. Okay, now after this I will run the analysis. Click on run analysis shortcut or also. Okay, click here once. Since analysis is going to run, and wait for a minute. You can see here analysis in progress, details. You can see here that it 93% is complete, 97%. Okay, refreshing window, it will take a minute. Okay, after the analysis is done, now you can also see here what types of, you can see bending moment, shear force in each section of the frame of the building. Now you can see that this is a deformed shape of the column, beams or slabs. You can see the values here. You can right click for multiple functions, multiple options. Okay, now go to the display menu, click on force stress diagram, click on shell stress forces. Okay, after clicking this, slide here, and also you can see the values of which F11 means it is a component of F11. Click on OK. Click on OK. After that, wait a minute. Now in this section you can see the values arriving between the color. I mean if you will see the slab, if you will see this beam or slab, you will see the values between here 16.5 to 22.5. Okay, similarly you can click on display menu, click on the load assign, click on the force stress diagram, click on frame. Okay, after this you can see the shear stress diagram of, if you click on shear 33, click on apply. Now you will see this here force diagram of this, and you can also determine the value of each portion of the part. Similarly for moment at 3 3, click on OK, and similarly you can see the values. Okay, this is the moment diagram. Okay, click on OK to exit. After this I will check the design check. After clicking on concrete frame design, you first check view preference, it is set to IS 456 according to Indian standard or not. Click on OK, and then click on again design, concrete frame design, start design check. Click on start design check. Since design is being checked, it will take time since this building is complex and have many 23-story buildings. Since okay, wait for a minute. After this, go to design, concrete frame design, and check all the members are passed or not. Click on verify all member passed. Now you can see the notification that all concrete frames passed the design check. That means your building design is perfect and all you're done in a proper manner. You can see the reinforcement value from zooming and zooming out here. From here you can also see the project reports. Click on the reports, project summary or project reports, the particular slab or column. Click here once. Since you can see here the reports of your project and all the values, you can see, you can also download if you have premium version. Okay, your project report is ready. Okay, thank you for your attention.